welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great and hope you guys are having a really great Valentine's month. So guys, today's video is going to be the February Bling Bag unboxing, and here is my Bling Bag for this month. And if you guys are not sure about what Bling Bag basically is, so it is basically a monthly premium jewelry subscription box which comes for just rupees 4.99, and you're actually getting 4 jewelry pieces which are of premium quality, like they're really good quality jewelry pieces. And if you guys are wondering how does Bling Bag send you all these jewelry pieces, then let me tell you that whenever you are subscribing for a box, you have to fill in a questionnaire or you have to fill in a style profile detail based on which Bling Bag sends you all the jewelry pieces. Apart from that guys, there are several other subscription plans on their website. So if you guys want to choose your own jewelry pieces, they do have an option for that as well, which is called Build Your Own Bling Bag, and that comes for rupees 1999. Now apart from that guys, they do have another amazing option. So if you're someone who's not sure about what kind of jewelry pieces goes with what kind of outfit, then they do have an option for you as well. So all you have to do is just click a picture of your outfit and send it over to Bling Bag, and they are going to customize jewelry pieces based on your outfit and send it to you. And apart from this guys, if you just want to get one jewelry piece for you, you can do that as well, because Bling Bag has their own boutiques. So that was all about Bling Bag. If you guys want to know more about Bling Bag, then do check out my description box for more details, and I have mentioned a coupon code down for you guys to get some discount as well. So now let's quickly unbox this box and see what are the products I have received for this month. So let's open up the box, and the first thing I can see is this month's card. So this month's bag is called the Fab Love Bling Bag. Okay, so let's see how this month's bag basically looks, and here it is guys. This is so cute, just look at it. It's already giving me the summer vibes, and the quality of the bag is really good. Like, it's a see-through bag. It's not totally transparent, but it's translucent as you can see, and I think it's going to make a really great travel pouch. Now guys, before I jump to the jewelry pieces, let me tell you that Bling Bag always sends you all the jewelry pieces in these small pouches, and these are so convenient for storing all your jewelry pieces. So let's see the first thing I have received. So it's basically a pair of golden earring, as you can see, and this one is priced at rupees 899. So this one is really cute guys. It has these hearts made on it, and like this is something you know, you can give to your girlfriend as well. So if you have not given her any Valentine's Day gift yet, I think you can just get her this box and give it to her. I think she is going to love it for sure. So let me just put them on. This is how they look on me. I think this one looks really nice. The design is very girly and I'm definitely loving it. The next jewelry piece that I have received is basically a necklace, as I can see. And okay, so this one is priced at rupees 899 as well. This is really pretty. Just look at it. I am in love with this one. This is so beautiful, and the best thing is that you can wear it with different outfits because of the color of the pendant, and the pendant looks really nice. This really stole my heart for sure. Moving on to the next item, so it's a earring, as I can see. And guys, if you follow my channel, I'm sure you know the fact that I am a earring lover. I just love earrings no matter what. Now this one is priced at rupees 669. This looks really nice, and you know, it's very trendy. Like, these geometric patterns are very trendy. They look really nice, and the best thing about this piece is that you can actually wear it for different occasions no matter what. You can also wear it to your office if you want. So it's a very wearable jewelry piece. So moving on to the last jewelry piece. So the last jewelry piece is also an earring. This one is priced at rupees 699, and wow, this one is so simple, but it's stunning guys. Let me quickly put it on and show you guys. And this one is again something you can wear for your work, or you can also wear it for any other occasion if you want to. This one is really simple, but it's really beautiful. So with that guys, the unboxing comes to an end. Now what I really love about this month's bag is definitely the bag itself. Like, the bag is beautiful, just look at it. Talking about the jewelry pieces guys, they are of really good quality, and this is something I really love about Bling Bag, that is they never compromise with the quality of the jewelry. So all of the pieces that you are receiving are of great quality. And if we talk about style and fashion, then I would say that all of these are totally up to date. So with that guys, my video comes to an end. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And guys, if you guys want to go and check out Bling Bag's website, then do check out my description box for the direct link. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.